This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25TBC is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25TBC is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.